If you're here, it's because you see the writing on the wall. The coming years, especially 2026, are shaping up to be defined by a perfect storm of supply chain issues, economic volatility, and unpredictable climate events. We've all felt the tremors: empty shelves, rising prices, and unprecedented weather. This isn't about panicking over a doomsday scenario. It's about recognizing patterns and taking steps to protect your family in an unpredictable world. My name is Mona, and today, I'm sharing insights from my friend Zach, a dedicated prepper since 2012. He's navigated past crises and sees 2026 as fundamentally different. It's not a single event we're preparing for, but a sustained period of scarcity and disruption. This video is your playbook for resilience. We're focusing on essentials to keep your family safe, hydrated, fed, and healthy. It's about taking control in a world that feels increasingly out of control. Let's get started. Water is the bedrock of survival. In a crisis, water quickly becomes a critical problem. The smart move is to build redundancy into your water plan with a tiered filtration system. That means having a high-capacity system, a portable filter, and a chemical backup. This strategy ensures your family always has access to safe, drinkable water. Filtration is only half the equation. Stored water buys you time and prevents desperate decisions. Preppers use large containers for a reserve of clean water. It's not just for drinking. Stored water is vital for hygiene and cooking. The high-capacity, gravity-fed filter is your daily driver for clean, safe water every day. Systems like Berkey or Pro One are gold standards, known for their simplicity and reliability in any home. They require no electricity and can filter thousands of gallons of water with ease. For a family of 4, a system holding 2 to 3 gallons is ideal for daily use. This investment is critical for turning questionable water into safe, reliable hydration for your loved ones. A filter system is useless without replacement elements. Stock up on replacement filters for every water purification system you own. For a 2026 scenario, have at least 1 or 2 full sets of replacement filters. When they become scarce, they'll be invaluable. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes you need to leave home quickly. Portable water filters like the Sawyer Squeeze are essential for emergencies and travel. Make sure every family member has one in their bag. These filters let you safely drink from most freshwater sources. For a family of 4, pack at least 4 filters. Chemical treatments are your last line of defense. They're lightweight, have a long shelf life, and kill viruses. Have enough to purify at least 100 gallons of water. This isn't your primary method, it's your emergency option. They take up almost no space and can be a lifesaver in a pinch. The 55-gallon drum is truly the king of long-term water storage solutions. It provides a reliable, multi-month supply of clean, safe water for your household. Always get new, food-grade drums, and make sure to store them properly. This is the ultimate buffer against a sudden loss of municipal water supply. Smaller containers, like 7-gallon water bricks, are very portable and easy to handle. They are perfect for shuttling water, providing flexibility and convenience for your needs. For a family of 4, it's best to have at least 10 of these containers on hand. They connect your bulk water storage to daily use, making access simple and efficient. With water secured, we now move to food. Think in terms of months, not just days, when planning your long-term storage food. Freeze-dried meals and bulk staples can last for decades, making them ideal. For a family of 4, aim for a 180-day supply of food. You're buying true peace of mind for decades to come, ensuring your family's security. Your long-term food storage is your foundation. A robust pantry of non-perishable foods is essential. Build a 3 to 6 month supply of goods. This slow accumulation results in a massive reserve over time. In a crisis, you become your own first responder. Your medical kit needs to handle serious issues like cuts and infections. Be sure to include trauma supplies, wound care items, and a variety of over-the-counter medications for different needs. Have a supply of prescription medications for your family. You need portable first aid kits for every person and every location you spend time in. Every vehicle and each family member should have their own dedicated kit for emergencies. These kits are designed to handle common injuries while you're away from home. Accessibility is always key to an effective and timely medical response. Hygiene is critical for health in a long-term crisis. Stockpile hygiene products for 180 days, include soap, toothpaste, and no-rinse body wash. Maintaining cleanliness prevents disease and boosts morale. Household sanitation is crucial when systems fail. A twin-bucket toilet system is a simple solution. Stock up on trash bags, carbon material, and disinfectants. Preventing a biohazard zone is vital for your health. A stable electricity supply is essential. A layered approach to backup power is necessary. Your plan should range from power banks to larger systems. The right mix depends on your needs and budget. Generate and store your own electricity as needed. Solar power is the ultimate source of energy independence. A portable solar generator system is a smart investment for any household. It provides renewable power when the grid is down or during emergencies. For a family of 4, aim for a power station with at least 1,000 watt-hours. This system is invaluable for long-term resilience and peace of mind. A gas-powered generator provides reliable power on demand, whenever you need it. It's practical for running power-hungry appliances like refrigerators, freezers, or even some power tools. Consider an inverter model for clean, stable power that's safe for electronics. A 3,500 to 5,000 watt generator is usually ideal for most homes. Always operate it safely outdoors to prevent dangerous carbon monoxide poisoning. Your generator needs fuel to run. Store at least 50 gallons of gasoline with stabilizer. Use proper fuel cans and store them safely. Rotate your fuel supply annually for reliability. Off-grid cooking is crucial when the power goes out. A propane camp stove is a reliable main tool. Rocket stoves and charcoal grills are great backups. Keep several options for preparing hot meals. This keeps food safe and spirits high. Fire is a fundamental survival skill for everyone. Always have layers of redundancy for starting fires. Stock up on Bic lighters, ferro rods, and waterproof matches. Each method ensures you can make fire when needed. This is a simple but essential prep for survival. Staying warm without power is absolutely crucial during the cold winter months. Layering your clothing is key for proper insulation and warmth. Stock up on thermal underwear for extra warmth, wool socks, and plenty of blankets. Emergency mylar blankets are also extremely useful. This essential gear helps prevent hypothermia and boosts morale. Your home is your primary shelter. Be prepared to augment its protection if needed. Stock up on heavy-duty tarps, plastic sheeting, and duct tape. These materials offer versatile options for repairs and protection. In a crisis, information is vital. Keep off-grid communication devices like emergency radios. Multi-band radios with several power options are essential. GMRS radios provide short-range communication. These tools keep you informed and connected. Batteries are a form of currency in preparedness, powering essential devices when you need them most. Standardize your devices to use AA and AAA battery sizes whenever possible. Invest in rechargeable batteries and smart chargers for long-term savings and reliability. Use solar power to recharge them whenever you can. A backup supply of long shelf life lithium batteries is also wise. Reliable light is absolutely critical when the power is out. Headlamps are often more useful than handheld flashlights in emergencies. Every family member should have a quality LED headlamp available. Standardize on models that use AA or 8AA batteries. Light on demand is a truly powerful tool. A high-quality multi-tool is invaluable in a crisis. It solves small problems before they become major headaches. Every adult should own a reputable multi-tool. It's versatile and space-efficient gear. Protecting your body is crucial after a disaster. Stock up on sturdy gloves, safety glasses, and respirator masks. A hard hat is smart in disaster-prone areas. This gear helps prevent injuries and exposure. It's essential for safety in a dangerous world. A sustainable plan means producing your own food at home. Start gardening now so you can learn the skill and gain experience. Have sturdy tools, and always think about soil fertility and health. Container gardening is a great option for small spaces or apartments. Growing your own food boosts resilience and morale for everyone. Seeds are the most important ingredient in gardening. Stock a diverse supply of non-GMO, heirloom seeds. Heirloom seeds let you save seeds for future crops. Store seeds in a cool, dark, dry place. They represent the future of your food supply. Water purification tablets are essential for portable water treatment. They are foolproof and effective against viruses. Have enough to purify at least 100 gallons of water. Chlorine dioxide tablets are recommended for best results. Every bag and kit should include chemical water treatment. Physical maps and navigation skills are absolutely critical without GPS. Acquire detailed, up-to-date topographical maps and a quality compass. Learn to use them together well for navigation. This skill is a true superpower in a grid-down world. Practice and preparation are always key. Self-defense is vital in a prolonged crisis. Deterrence and awareness are key. Reinforce your home and consider non-lethal options like pepper spray. Firearms require training and responsibility. Protecting your family and supplies is essential. Bartering becomes essential when cash is worthless or unavailable. Stock up on items like coffee, cigarettes, and other practical goods that are useful for trade. Barter goods should always be kept separate from your core preps. They provide a way to acquire needed items and also help build goodwill in your community. A physical library is invaluable when the internet is unavailable. Start building a prepper's reference library today. Add books on first aid, gardening, and off-grid skills. Print important digital information as a backup. This resource helps with problem solving and skill building. Morale is crucial in any long-term crisis situation. Stock up on non-electric entertainment like board games, books, and puzzles. Keep your family mentally engaged and help everyone de-stress. Simple items such as cards and toys can provide comfort. Entertainment is truly a critical part of preparedness. We've covered a lot, but true preparedness isn't about fear. It's about focusing on essentials that keep your family secure. Water, food, medicine, and shelter are foundational. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into the why and how. The goal is resilience, not fear. Take calm, rational steps to insulate your family from life's shocks. Your journey starts with small, steady actions. Let's get to work.